Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So I am going into town with my sister, so it's a little come shop with me. There will be a haul as well. Just going into our local town, Tesco's, Savers, Superdrug, Home Bargains, of course. I'm currently on my way to my sister's house. So come with me and my sister shopping, and I hope you guys enjoy today's video. If this video is a bit short and a bit choppy, I tried to film as much as I could, but there was loads of people everywhere. It's hot, I'm sweating. I dressed for the weather because it said it was going to chuck it down all day, so I'm absolutely sweating. But yeah, I have bags full, and I've got a big Primark bag here, which has got my Tesco's bits in. But what I got in Tesco's was just mainly food for the week, ready for work. So if you've enjoyed this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.